Okay, question 2. Find x and y given that 2x minus 10 equals 4y and 3y equals 4x minus 15. Remember, we need to change these so that they look like ax plus b y equals c. That's how we will need them. So our first formula looks like this. 2x minus 4y, because we bring this over, equals 10. And we bring this over. So this is our first equation. Our next equation, we want negative 4x, because we're bringing this over, plus 3y equals negative 15. Now there's some negatives here, lots of negatives. I can change this if I want, so that my second equation, I can just flip everything so that it's actually 4x minus 3y equals 15. There's a few less negatives there. These are exactly the same. They're equal. That's why we use the equal sign. It is absolutely equal. So I'm going to do that one because I can see something similar going on here. So this is my second equation here. This is my first equation. I've just put it into this format. Okay, I can see that my first equation, if I multiply it by 2, if I multiply the first equation by 2, then I can see that I'm going to have 4x at the beginning. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to multiply this by 2. So now I have 4x minus 8y equals 20. That doesn't seem so bad. And then I have 4x minus 3y equals 15. And I'm going to subtract one from the other so that I have no x's. So 4x, take away 4x is 0. Negative 8y, take away, subtract negative. So a negative and a negative is a positive. So negative 8, positive 3 would be negative 5y. 20 negative 15 equals 5. Y is I'm going to divide this by negative 5. So divide this by negative 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Negative 1. So my y is negative 1. Now I'm going to put it in either one of my formulas. It does not matter. I'm going to choose the second one because often we choose the first. So to find x, I'm going to say 4x minus 3, and then I put in my y equals 15. 4x negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3 equals 15. I'm going to get rid of my 3 over here, so I'm going to subtract 3 on this side and subtract 3 on this side. So now I have 4x equals 12. I'm going to divide this by 4. So I divide this by 4. That leaves me with x. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So now I know my x equals 3 and my y equals negative 1. Happy face.